Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, to be honest, I'm pretty impressed, but because Ian just asks a very deep question, and this question is about animation. I remember last time we
Yeah.
made something like this, right?
Make
Yeah, we made a moon. Yo, sorry. Oh my
oh
gosh.
my god.
Let me just bring it back up. I tend to make myself a little bit smaller. Okay. So here's the thing. We already made an animation of the moon, right?
Yeah.
And if you go back here, I think previously it's like a timeline or something. Right?
And then that time we
Yeah.
make it spin.
Yeah, well, last time we make spin. But here's the thing. If we make it spin,
Yeah.
Ian found out something very interesting. That's the thing that
It
I
like
yeah.
slows down the moon.
Yeah, slow down the movement. So Ian's pretty curious why the animation, if you add a keyframe, right? And the computer doing the interpolation. So basically, like you move from one place to another, right? You move from certain degree
Yeah.
to another degree, so you just rotate.
Yeah.
So it's not the same speed they're doing it.
Yeah.
They're doing interpolation, like they gradually adding speed until a certain speed and then gradually slow
This
down.
is like a big number,
Yeah.
24 and 24,000.
Yeah. We add like the degree is what. Let me just give you the real time here. So if you
Real
click it here, go to the screencast here. Right?
Let's just do real time.
Yeah, you can sort of see this degree,
Yeah.
2,480, right?
Can I increase that?
Yeah, you can see that it's constantly moving, right?
Yeah.
Constantly moving, so moving all the way here. But here's the thing: it's not moving at the like constant speed. Okay, it's not moving at constant speed. That means it will gradually add speed and gradually slow it down. So Ian wants to understand why is that and what the heck is going on. So
Yeah.
in order to do that, I'm going to quickly demonstrate this by first go to front view, and then I'm going to add something, right? I'm going to add. You want to make experiments with a cube or circle or cylinder, cone or torus or even a monkey. Which one would you like to move? I'm going to make an animation out of it. Which one? Cube, circle, UV sphere, cylinder.
UV sphere.
UV sphere. It is. So we add a UV sphere. So for example, the UV sphere start here. Okay. I think approximately the same size as the moon. Yeah. So I'm going to give it some basic material, right? So for example, I'm just make a new material. Let's just make it. Which color? What kind of color would you like?
Earth color. Green and blue.
Green. Okay. Green.
And blue.
Green and blue. That's just a green
And blue.
plus blue.
I must like Earth anymore.
And I'm going to add a base color. Choose a base color for me, alright? Choose a base color yourself.
What is this?
Choose the base color for me.
Is the circle?
You will. Here. Choose it. No. You use your mouse.
Which one now? This one?
You just which kind of color do you want?
Green and blue.
Okay. So I think you got a base color of a blue, and then we can add some green.
Can I
Oh.
make him? Okay.
Yeah.
We're gonna make it like half a blue and then a green. Okay, first give me that base color thing. Is it down? There you go. But we're gonna make it like here. Where's here? Grab this. Or to make it like green and blue. Oh, I didn't do that. Okay.
Like some sort of in between, right?
Yeah, in between.
And I think we can go to the sculpting mode or texture paint mode.
It's smooth.
The texture
Oh!
texture paint. Yeah, I don't think that's necessary for the texture paint.
Yeah.
Maybe just sculpting. And I believe sculpting we can sort of paint it a certain color. Let me just
We're gonna
see.
paint it. Oh, this is realistic color.
I'm going to paint
Green.
it.
This is planet Earth.
Yeah, I'm not sure whether it will give us the correct color, but let's try it out. Can we paint it here?
No. The like it.
Nothing changed.
Nothing happened.
That's weird, huh? That's weird. Nothing
Oh,
happened.
this is realistic.
Okay, doesn't really matter. I forgot how to paint, how to quickly. Of course, I can select something. Yeah, I definitely I can do this, but it's just too much of a work. Yeah, I obviously can do this. I got tab, right? I can select the face.
Okay.
I can select. So, for example, I can shift select say
Can we
some.
let the ball spin?
Yeah, for example, I can select some parts of the continent, and then I can have another, and I create this. This will be green, definitely green. Okay, and I can get the base color of green.
Green.
And I'm going
This
to.
is America. I'm calling it right now. But you need to
I can
green.
assign this color to green, right? So, for example.
Okay, this is not gonna be okay. Don't do that yet.
Yeah.
We are gonna paint this to go over the America.
You can do that. You do that yourself, right? You
Go
choose
over to America. Then we are new, like thing out there, America. I think.
this here.
Okay, let me wait.
Choose the face that you like. You click it. You choose the face, and you can assign this green.
This one.
No. You just assign. You click green, and assign.
Assign. Where is it?
This is the first one. The left one is assign, starting with A.
A.
Yeah, assign. Yeah,
There.
we can assign it. So basically, this is just a quick way of doing things. So let me just make it quickly finish this, right? No, not necessarily.
No, let's do Africa.
Africa, right? I think this is like Africa or something like this, right?
Not correctly.
Okay, you do this.
This is recreating Earth.
Like assign this. Okay, yeah, doesn't really matter.
And then
Doesn't really matter. We just some representation of some like some sort of
it's
Earth.
not gonna be the same size.
Yeah, of course, it will not be the same size. But we are going to demonstrate animation, okay? So what I'm going to do...
But that is not where...
That's not the final product. That's just
Yeah.
some representation, okay? We can even use monkey for that. Doesn't really matter,
Yeah.
okay? So what I'm going to do is to add animation. If I go 1, and I add keyframe. So for example, starting at the frame 1, and we can add keyframe. So we can insert the keyframe. Let me just insert keyframe. And yeah, I already inserted. Let me just delete this, right? Delete keyframe. So I'm already inserted keyframe. Yeah. And I can just go all the way here.
Whoa, the moon.
Right? The moon is moving.
But why this come out?
And then I can insert keyframe as well.
Oh,
but this time, I'm going to move it a little bit, okay? So for example, this is like x-axis, okay? I can move it, say to here, okay?
It's the moon?
So if I move it here, and I can just, I insert another keyframe, okay? And then we can go back, okay? So for example, at the end of the keyframe, 250, okay? I want to go back, so I'm going to go back
here.
Approximately
here,
okay? I think I can duplicate this, okay? I'm going to duplicate this. Here, Shift and D, duplicate, click and drag. I think I can get, sorry, Shift and D, duplicate. I can drag all the way to here.
Yeah.
So at the end of the frame, and then get it back. So if I do that again, you can see that it's moving, okay?
Yeah. The moon's moving to, it's getting far away.
So we can make this moving.
It's like a kind of a gravitational pull.
Yeah, so we can do that. We can do everything in Blender.
But
here's the thing. I think it's like not moving like fast enough. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is to go here, and I want this to be, I don't know. This is like a -7. I'm going to get minus like 100. I input 100.
Minus
100. I already get minus down, so you just need 100.
100.
See, 100. Enter. Do me the favor and enter. Yeah, so that means it's go there, right?
It goes like so far away.
Yeah, so what I'm going to do is to get this deleted. I can get this keyframe, bring it back to the center. Okay?
Now what's going to happen?
So that means if I go here, go front, you can see
the moon.
is moving like crazy, right?
Yeah.
Our Earth is moving like
Oh my.
crazy. See?
But that's not realistic.
So basically
moon-
that's not realistic for moon to move this far away, right? So what I'm gonna do is to like reduce this, okay?
Yeah.
Maybe I'm going to make it
A big number?
let me make it 20 maybe.
20.
20. 20. 2 0
2,
2 0 20.
2, 0. What's 2?
20. Yeah. Enter. Enter. Yeah, so it's a little bit closer. So if I go to side view here, that's that's pretty good. That's pretty good. So if I run this,
It will come closer. But it's not gravity.
yeah, and I think I can scale it up
Oh
because Earth is like bigger, right?
But we need to now like make the moon orbit Earth.
Yeah,
So
we will
what's
do
gonna
that later.
Yeah.
But we need to understand how animation works.
Yeah.
We can do all the thing, but we have to do that one step at a time.
Is the Earth orbiting the moon?
No, I changed the size.
Oh.
I changed the size so we
It's like
can.
moving farther away. Yeah.
And I think I accidentally changed the size.
Oh.
See how this animation works, but we don't want to change the size, so I made a mistake. Sorry.
Yeah.
I made a mistake. So
Everybody make a mistake.
So yeah, doesn't really matter. Okay. So let me just answer your question.
Yeah.
So the move of like this can be decided by graph. Okay. So that means you select this, you go here. This is like timeline. It's about the keyframe. But if we go to the graph editor, okay, you can see we got sphere action, we got object transform, right? And then we can get it more space, right? Let's grab this a little bit higher.
Not the universe space.
Right, and get more space, and then we can go here, key, to get a graph, right?
Where is it?
So we already got this.
Yeah.
So we can get constant or linear. So if you don't want to like gradually increase, you can just make it linear. If you make it linear, it would go like this. There's no speeding up or slowing down.
But why the moon slowing down?
Okay, we changed everything to linear. We changed this whole thing to linear. Okay, so basically we can make it linear, or we can make it like a bouncy.
Bounce out and make
Let's
it
do that.
What's gonna happen? Oh, boom!
See that? So basically we can make it bounce to here, and we bounce a little bit.
But then no fins.
So you can make it bouncy, bouncy.
Like a bounce. Yeah.
Or
Or
we can make it, say, elastic or back, okay? Or Bezier. So basically, we can use different curve to change the speed. So we can make it like elastic, right? So let's do that.
with elastic. Oh!
So
What's
it's like elastic, like boom, 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 something like this. Okay?
elastic?
But I think it's obviously pretty fake because nothing in real world will work like this.
Beep, beep,
But
beep, beep.
we can do that. We can do that. So here we can also change the spin. So for example, we want to change it back to the normal speed, right? So basically we go here, we got animal object transformation, and we can go to the T here. We can make it linear. So it will, let's go to 0. So we can focus here, and we can just make it a little bit bigger. Okay. So if I change this to timeline, this hopefully should make it constant speed. You see? Constant.
Where's
Right?
the Earth go? Can I change the view?
Yeah, you can see the Earth. Earth's still elastic. But see the speed here is constant.
Yeah.
It's not gradually adding speed up or gradually slow it down, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's basically how this works. You need to change the graphs. You need to change how the animation works, how they interpret a keyframe in order to make it. If you want a constant, you can just a linear. This is like elastic.
I don't want to do that.
You don't want to do this, so you just go here. You change this elastic, right? A graph editor, and you just go here. You go T, and you can just go back, say linear. If you go linear, you do that again. You just linearly come towards you. No speed change. See, no speed change.
Oh, it bounced.
And bounce it back. You want a bit more bouncy, you can just do something like this. Okay.
I don't want to do.
You want to do something bouncy? Let me quickly show you. You can make it bounce.
Bounce.
Okay, and then
Not
too bouncy, to be honest.
Oh, with Earth go.
It got to be something wrong with. It got to be something wrong with the bouncy thingy. Let's just look at here.
Yeah.
T. Let me bounce and then go here. Let me look at. Make it bounce.
Bounce.
Can I do that?
Oh.
Bounce.
Boom.
Yeah, bounce. I think it's better to see from the side, right? You can go here. You can.
Okay.
Okay. Bounce.
Oh.
See that?
I don't want to bounce.
And I think you can just change the whole position to a little bit left, and you can actually see that moving here. Bounce.
Bounce.
See that? Yeah. Basically, that's how.
I don't
it
want
works.
to bounce.
You want to bounce, you can just go, just to a normal one, right?
But how do I warp it? I'm asking this question to myself.
Yeah. If you want orbit, we're going to finish that in the next video.
Yeah.
Okay. It's time for you to go to bed. Okay. Bye.